Hello, welcome to Team 7 Inquiry Project presentation on Learning with AI, exploring the impact of chatbots on student success. Team 7 includes Brianna Pratt-Taylor, Jonathan Borth, Justin Mathis, Lanisha Lee, and myself, Shelley Evans. Let's get started with the purpose and motivation. You may have already heard about it in the news. Generative AI has had rapid growth, especially with AI chatbots. These tools have become increasingly accessible and have revolutionized how students interact with information. These tools offer unique opportunities that include personalized learning support, real-time feedback, and can be used outside of traditional classroom hours. As these tools are relatively new and improving at great speeds, the educational implications of relying on AI for knowledge acquisition and problem solving are not fully understood. This study is crucial for addressing both the potential benefits and challenges associated with AI-driven learning. Understanding the role of AI chatbots in education will help shape future strategies that champion independent, well-rounded learning in an AI-enriched world. This leads us to the following research question. Does using generative AI chat tools impact students' learning? Next, we'll hear from Justin Mathis on the past research done for our topic.
Generative AI chat tools can enhance student learning by providing instant access to information and personalized feedback, aiding comprehension and self paced learning. However, there are concerns about over reliance on AI, which may diminish critical thinking and promote academic dishonesty if not used responsibly. AI tools support active learning by allowing students to construct knowledge through exploration and interaction. For example, a student uses AI chatbot to explore topics independently, asking questions and refining their understanding based on AI generated feedback. Data approaches combines quantitative surveys to measure student performance, and qualitative interviews to explore their experiences using AI tools. For example, a study tracks test scores from students using AI chatbot and follow up with interviews to understand their learning experiences. Now I'll pass this on to Jonathan to share our thoughts on our study's methodologies.
Our hypothesis is that AI tools will enhance student engagement, confidence, and performance by providing timely, personalized assistance. Additionally, AI will reduce the instructional workload while maintaining a high quality of learning. This research looks beyond academic outcomes, focusing on how AI impacts curiosity, confidence, and engagement. It also examines how AI changes the dynamic between students and instructors, allowing for more personalized education. And finally, we will combine quantitative data on performance with qualitative insights from students' experiences. By analyzing real-time data from AI tools, we aim to offer a comprehensive understanding of AI's role in transforming education. We aim to gain a comprehensive understanding of how AI tools impact learning, and for that, we'll use a combination of quantitative and qualitative methods. First, we'll implement pre- and post-testing to track changes in student performance. By comparing test scores before and after the use of AI tools, we can objectively measure their influence on learning outcomes. A/B testing will further allow us to quantify important factors, such as how often students request help, the time spent on specific tasks, and how well they grasp key concepts within each module. This will provide valuable insights into how AI can facilitate or hinder the learning process in real time. Additionally, pulling data directly from the AI tools will help us assess user engagement and experience. By analyzing the UX/UI navigation, we can gauge not only engagement, but also students' curiosity, confidence, and learning performance, particularly in environments with limited feedback from instructors. This data is crucial for understanding how effectively the AI tools are designed to foster independent learning. On the qualitative side, we'll use focus groups to gather collective feedback from participants, allowing us to capture a range of experiences and reactions to the AI tools. Narrative inquiry be employed to dig deeper into personal stories, helping us understand how individuals felt about using this innovative technology and how it impacted their enjoyment of learning. And finally, thematic analysis will enable us to identify recurring patterns related to student engagement, instructor workload, and behaviors associated with AI assisted learning. Together, these methods offer a well rounded view of both the measurable outcomes and the personal experiences of students and instructors, providing us with insight of the true potential of AI in education. Well, next, I'll hand it over to Lanisha to help explain the future directions and implications that could happen as they relate to our topic.
In our study, we definitely learned that AI is still fairly new, so it does need to have those next steps being additional research. So some options would be, a longitudinal study with the quasi experiment. That way, you, the researcher does know who is in what area, because that is going to be something that's going to be kind of hard to just keep at random. Then, the longitudinal, it could just be over a school year where the researchers are checking in with the students maybe 2 to 4 times throughout the year. Or, there's surveys and questionnaires that could be done. That was certainly something that was on our minds to do if we were going to go to that next step, was definitely a survey. Um, perhaps maybe about 100 students in one class. For example, if we were just to do everyone that was taking this exact same course with this professor, we could definitely see how it changes between person to person, or just have a more, firm group to study from. And that way they only have one professor and it's all kind of the same material that they're going to be going over. So that's definitely going to be something that would need to be done. It is that just in those next steps, or you could even use a mixed methods research where those two are combined, or any other kind of research is combined, quantitative and qualitative. But it is going to be something that would need to be done, especially since AI is changing and is constantly changing. So as it changes, further research is going to be needed to be done just to see if there's any differences when those changes are implemented, or if there's not. So it's those next steps are going to be crucial into understanding what's going on and what those effects are. But next, we're going to go to Brianna and she'll tell us why we're care.
Hello, my name is Brianna Pratt Taylor, and I'm going to be speaking to you about the direction generative AI is headed, why we care, and why you should care too. We care about the direction generative AI is headed in from a student's perspective because it has important implications for technology, creativity, society, and even ethical standards. It provides on-the-spot help for understanding complex topics by helping to clarify concepts in subjects like math, science, and literature. Students can use it to brainstorm ideas for essays, get help with homework, or receive feedback on written work, improving their writing skills. The AI also supports personalized learning by tailoring explanations to individual needs and learning paces. It also helps with time management by quickly providing information, summaries, and study materials, and making it easier to stay organized and more efficient in the student's academic journey. There's also 24-hour access, 24/7 access to help. So no matter what type of student you are and how you learn, generative AI is there 24/7 with the support without having to wait for a tutor or a teacher to help you with the answer. The direction of generative AI has huge implications for how we work, create, engage with the world around us. As AI continues to evolve, the benefits it offers will likely expand further, enhancing both everyday tasks and groundbreaking innovations. My name is Brianna Pratt Taylor. Thank you on behalf of Team 7 for watching our presentation, and feel free to stay a few moments to review our references to learn even more on this topic. Thank you. Have a good day.